HTML font tag. Let's start. Open a project folder where we store all the HTML files. Let's open my computer and go to the F drive and open the HTML folder. Now go to the search bar and type Notepad. Now save the Notepad. A file explorer open. Write the name, but remember to add the extension .html after the name. Now open Chrome. And you can open other browsers also. The font tag is having 3 attributes called size, color, and face to customize your fonts. Now come to the Notepad. Type the structure of the Notepad. Now put open and close HTML tag. After that, open and close the head tag. Inside the head tag, type the title open and close tag. At last, put the body open and close tag. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+S. Refresh the Chrome by pressing the F5 key. You see nothing in Chrome because we do not write anything in the body tag. Now open and close the font tag. Let's write something in the font tag. Save and refresh the file. And type inside the open tag. Type color equal to an inverted comma. And put red color inside the inverted comma. Save the file by Ctrl+S. And refresh the Chrome by F5 key. Watch the output on Chrome. You see red color appear in the text. After that, put one more color green. You can put any color. Save the file and refresh the Chrome. Now green color appears in the text. Now apply the size property. Let's put size equal to an inverted comma. Type 7 inside the inverted comma. Save file and refresh the Chrome. You see the size of text or font increase. 7 is the maximum size you can increase. After that, if you put 8 or 9 or 10 or any, save the file and refresh the Chrome. You see the text size remain the same. Now put 5 inside the inverted comma of size. Save the file and refresh the Chrome. You see text size decrease. Now put back to 7 and refresh the Chrome. Now we come to the last property of font is face. Type face equal to an inverted comma. Now visit some websites of the font. Type font family in the Google search bar. You see many font face or family. Let's pick Helvetica and put it inside the inverted comma. Save and refresh the Chrome. You see in the text change. Let's copy the font tag and paste it upper and remove the face property. Save the file and refresh the Chrome. You see the clear output on the screen. Now pick one more monospace from the websites and put it inside the inverted comma. Save and refresh the Chrome.